I'm going to be discussing the introduction to cell biology, and my outlines of discussions are introductions to cell, classification of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells and their differences, and the kingdom of eukaryotic cell. Cells may be referred to as the basic unit of life, which are capable of carrying out all the processes necessary to keep the cell alive. They are also the smallest structural and functional units of an organism, so they may be called the building block of living thing. Cells are made up of structural materials called the organelles. This image depicts a typical image of an eukaryotic cell, and it contains a mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell, the nucleus, which controls all other activities of the cell, and the DNA, which resides in the nucleus, contain the nuclear material, and the plasmic reticulum, which can either be rough in the plasmic reticulum or smooth in the plasmic reticulum. They're responsible for the transportation of materials within the cells. Cells are also responsible for the living and functioning of living organisms. The cells in our body are formed from the pre-existing cell to the cell division, which can either be meiosis or mitosis, and the branch of biology that is concerned with the study of cell is cellular biology or cytology. The classification of cell. The cell are mainly classified into two classes based on the presence or absence of nucleus. We have the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, the cell lacks two nucleus and membrane-bound organelles such as nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus, and the cell are relatively smaller to eukaryotic cell. So the organisms of prokaryotic cell are mainly bacteria and archaea. In eukaryotic cell, the cell contains two nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, and the size of diameter ranges from 10 to 100 micrometers in size. They are mostly found in plants, animals, fungi, and protista. Now, the distinction between prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, the cells are relatively smaller, while they are bigger in size in eukaryotic cell. Centrioles, which actually play a role during cell division, are absent in prokaryotic cell, while they are present in eukaryotic cell. The nucleus and the nuclear material, such as nucleolus, are absent in prokaryotic cell, while they are present in eukaryotic cell. Ribosome, which is responsible for the production of protein, is smaller in size in prokaryotic cell, while they are large in eukaryotic cell. The chromosomes, which contain the genetic material, is single in prokaryotic cell, while you have more than one of it in eukaryotic cell. And cell in eukaryotic cell are made up of mitochondria, while mitochondria are absent in prokaryotic cell. Now to the kingdom of eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell are made up of four basic kingdoms, which are starting from the smallest, which is the kingdom protista, and the organisms under protista are usually unicellular organisms, followed by the kingdom fungi. The organism can either be unicellular or multicellular, and followed by kingdom plantae and kingdom animalia, which are mostly multicellular organisms. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss more topics that are related to cells. Thank you for listening.